In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the color mapping module in Darktable. To start things off, you'll want to open your photo in the darkroom view. This is your main workspace within Darktable, where you'll be making all your adjustments and edits. Think of it as your digital darkroom, if you will, where you bring your images to life with your creative touch. Once you have your photo open, it's time to activate the color mapping module. You'll find this in the right panel of Darktable. If you're new to it, don't worry. This panel contains a variety of modules, all designed to help you enhance and perfect your photos. By activating the color mapping module, you're unlocking a powerful tool that lets you creatively manipulate hues within your image. The next step involves choosing a source color range that you want to remap. You can do this by using the sliders or the color picker that's available in the module. The source color is essentially the hue or range of hues that you're planning to change. So, whether it's the cool blues of a sky or the warm tones of a sunset, you'll select the color range that you aim to tweak. Once your source colors are selected, you then pick a target color to map this range onto. This means you're deciding what color you want your chosen range to transform into. This step provides you with the flexibility to experiment and see how different hues interact within your image, and can really help in setting the mood or tone you're aiming for. Now let's talk about adjusting the mask radius and feathering. These features are what help blend your color transitions smoothly. The mask radius will determine how far-reaching your color mapping effects will be, while the feathering will soften the edges of your changes, ensuring a seamless transition between colors. Take your time with this part. A well-blended effect often makes the difference between an image that looks naturally enhanced and one that feels over-edited. For those who love to fine-tune, you have the option to adjust the saturation and lightness of your mapped colors to get the exact look you desire. Increasing saturation may intensify colors to make them pop, while adjusting the lightness can add either depth or brightness. It's all about achieving the perfect balance and seeing how these final tweaks can transform the feel of your photo. And that's how you use the color mapping module in Darktable. By following these steps, you'll have the creative freedom to remap colors effortlessly and bring your unique artistic vision to your images. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.